Hello everyone. As we are navigating through a changing environment in different organizations, change management is becoming a very important conversation that people are having right now. Change management is really a systematic approach to deal with any transition of an organization's goals, processes, and a lot of times technology. When implementing technologies, it is important for organizations to know exactly what the impact of that technology is going to be, what the benefit is going to be, and also how can they increase adoption by knowing what users want to do with that technology. Did you know that learning through animations is a key way for human beings to retain information? Let's go ahead and explore an animation that tells us about why change management is important for technology adoption. Hope you enjoy it. The importance of change management. Sarah is a product owner, and she's excited about the potential of a great new app that will help influence people positively. She has concerns about how smoothly the product launch will go, since her company had struggled with past user adoption of previous apps. She decides to bring in Dylan, the change manager, to see if he can explore different ways to increase user engagement and adoption of the tool. Dylan accepts the challenge and explains that he plans to minimize resistance from users and ensure a smooth transition by doing the following. He is going to understand what Sarah wants the app to accomplish, who the app is made for, and what the benefits of using the app are. Dylan is going to prepare a communication plan that will improve user engagement and make sure that people know all the great things that this app can do for them. He's going to create a training plan that will help teach people how to use the app. This way, Sarah's clients can be empowered to keep exploring the app. Dylan's also going to create and put together fun ways to reinforce the usage of the application through events, giveaways, and exciting promotions. Dylan also creates a community of people who can promote the app and increase the engagement of potential users. He calls them his change champions. Dylan creates a change management plan to monitor all activities he committed to doing. Sarah is very excited and decides to embark on the change journey with Dylan. The app is a huge success. People can't seem to stop talking about it and asking Sarah to please make more apps like this. Thanks to the experience, Sarah realizes that rolling out a technology without consideration for the human psychology decreases user adoption. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to master change in technology, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's navigate the future together, one video at a time. I'll see you in the next one.